And with that, dear ones, we invite you now to lean back and to close your eyes and to breathe deeply. Breathe deeply. Imagine in the center of your heart a golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into the room that you're in. And now imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your world. Now, dear ones, imagine all of your guides, angels, ascended masters, galactic families of light, Theologians, all of them to surround you, sending you their love, assisting you in the holding of this love vibration. Now, dear ones, bring your awareness to your heart center and begin to feel the love of God, Creator, Source, to fill your heart and to fill your body. Breathe. Take it in, dear ones. Feel this love of God expanding in your body and intensifying. With this love, dear ones, your Christ consciousness is expanding through your awareness to it. It has been there all along. All it takes is your awareness to allow for this Christ consciousness to simply be within you. And imagine this as a beautiful light that is expanding within you. And you can see, feel, and perceive it filling every cell of your body. Feel peace, love, and peaceful stillness within you. There is only love. Breathe it in. Intensify this feeling more and more until you feel almost you're overflowing with this intense love. And now bring your awareness to your world and imagine all the different people of the world around you and seeing their Christ light within them shining brightly, and send them this love that seems to be infinite. It is an overflowing well, a never-ending well of this intense love. Sharing this with the world all life on it, and see your world transform into Christ consciousness before your eyes. See the faces of the people around you light up, smiling with peace and love, and see Christ in all of them. Hold that focus, hold this vision, and intensify it even more. Bathe your world with the love of Source, the love of God. It is never ending. It is overflowing. Feel it and place your hand on your heart center to anchor that feeling now. And whenever you place your hand on your heart center as you go throughout your day, it activates this intense love for your own Christ self, and for the Christ self of everyone around you and the world. Breathe it in. Anchor it within you and expand it outward into your world. Lifting up all of life on your planet. When you feel complete, dear ones, I invite you to slowly come on back. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and head. Welcome back, dear ones.